Good afternoon. My name is Neil Cowin, co-convener of the Sunday Traders Club and broker with Commodity Broking Services. This is Sunday the 12th of December and I'm going to do a 10-minute session on commodities and major overseas indices, just to see where we are in the market in the lead up to Christmas. So this is the gold trade. We've had a fair bit of consolidation in this little channel at the moment. It's blown off above the 1400 a couple of times in the last couple of weeks. It's come back down to the midpoint of my mid channel, so we'd be looking for it to get back up above the 1400 and move on. But yes, silver has been a bit of a late starter, but the rise has been good. We've had a nice little bit of consolidation through here, and I think consolidating to the upside. Crude has broken through a bit of a long-term resistance line from May. It's now consolidating around that 90, and then there's not much in the way between 90 and 105 if it breaks to the upside. Natural gas has had a bit of a rally of late, not without its pullbacks, but like anything good, anything good to trade, they had their pullbacks, allows people to get back in, and to me there's a little bit of consolidation around there, and the next stop is perhaps the 5 mark. Comics. The copper, even gold went down this week, but copper a little bit similar, has broken through that 400 mark on 2 occasions now. It's come back down. It's now consolidating on top of this 400, top of the channel mark, and it could be getting ready for another breakout to the upside. There's no future on coal, but there is a exchange traded fund, and you'll see that coal, especially in the last week, has just been zooming up. It's had a little bit of consolidation where it is at the moment, and it just doesn't seem to be wanting to go down at all, which I think are similar to all the commodities at the moment. We'll just have a quick look at some of the softs, because I think they sort of tell the same story of a rise, a sharp rise, consolidation, looking to get on top of the next resistance to move forward. Rough rice, that rise is there, working its way between, consolidating within that channel. Soybeans, nice rise there, bit of consolidation. We'll be looking for it to get above the 1300 before taking off again. And wheat has had, I think this is when the fires were or whatever in Russia, but we had a fairly big rise, and we've had just a long period of consolidation sideways in this channel. Will it break through this time, get on top of there and move forward, or will it come back down to 647? No, what's this? Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Must be getting a sore head wanting to break through. Now just look at a few of the indices to see. This is the Dow Jones Mini. Similar type of rise, a little bit of consolidation through here. Finished, I think, quite strongly on Friday afternoon. If you were banking on it going back down to the bottom of the channel again, that is one trade, but I'd be looking at, I think, getting on top of this channel here and moving forward. S&P 500. I only say that because the commodities are all showing the same rise, consolidation period, breaking out on top of or getting close to the next channel. Bank of America, which got hit really badly, but it's done a nice consolidating bottoming pattern. It's very quickly in the last week gone back to the top of its channel, and I think that'll be a defining moment if it gets into this new range through here. The US dollar, which has had its rise also in the last couple of weeks, but this rise here I don't think looks nearly as strong as some of the other rises we've seen. It's pulled back last week, sitting on that 80 mark. It's going to have to be something fairly strong to get it off that 80 up to the 82, I think. To me, this looks more like a 80 to a 78 mark that it might come back to. However, big forces at play. Far be it for me to suggest. The Australian dollar, nice rise, consolidation. It's in that midpoint there. To me, it looks midpoint to up as opposed to midpoint to down. The euro. See, came back down, bounced nicely off that channel, went back up, just come back down again. Yeah, I'm not too sure about the euro. The 90-day bank bill, I usually like to look at that just as a reference point. Just noting that it is sitting on a fair bit of support down through here. And I think we can look at just want to take a quick look at the FTSE. Once again, gone up, a little bit of a blow-off factor, come back down, come back again, hasn't quite reached the previous high. I think that's the same for a lot of indices at the moment. So it'll be telling whether we get back to the previous high and then move again. But just the fact that it has had that period of consolidation all through there, I think looks strong. This will be the DAX. The DAX went up on Friday. But yeah, once it broke out of this 8,500 mark, it really has had a nice little run up, nice little bit of consolidation. Moved very quickly from the 9.5 up here to the 9.99. Had a slight pullback, but I think watch out if it breaks through the top of that channel there. And we'll look at our SPY. Not as clean as other charts, but there has been a bit of a rise. Long period of consolidation, has broken at 4.8 there, but we haven't, similar to the FTSE, we haven't gone through our previous high. All I can say is that the weight of evidence with all the commodities on the top side to their channel, and we're getting close to the top side of our channel, I think everyone's going to move forward at once. Alright, that's just a quick look. We need to keep it to the 10 minutes, and so thank you very much, and we'll hopefully see you at the Traders Club this Wednesday night is a presentation by Jonathan Barrett and Robert Kreft. We're going to talk trades only. There won't be any going through the charts and such. We're just going to talk specific trades. This is the one night of the year that we do that. So visitors are quite welcome to come along and join up on the night, and members will also are invited to come along. So yeah, that's 6:30 at the Harbour Diggers Club this Wednesday night, but I'll send an email out tomorrow afternoon. All right, thank you very much.